in the morning of 5th, that papers would come.
Later it was burned.
Papers would come in Patna. The papers would come by 10:30, 10:45. It came in two tranches. One subject was
control room. The figure in para number
155.
Para number 113.11.
155 too.
150.
Yes. What happens is, Manoj, since they don't want the paper to go or their identity to be revealed to many people and exposing them to be arrested in advance, they go to the people, Manoj, one to one. And those who fall into the trap, they give post-dated checks and some amount in advance. We have recovered the post-dated checks also. So post-dated checks now cannot be encashed. We have recovered them.
The money is not collected in one trance, my lord. Initially, one token advance is taken. So the candidate is permitted to gain access to that particular location where they're going to distribute the salt paper. Now he doesn't know whether this is the content which is going to come in the exam. So once he comes out of the examination center, then only he confirms that, yes, what you gave me yesterday is the one, or what you gave me today morning is the one which came.
But there's no evidence to indicate that the conspiracy was wider, at least in Jharkhand and Bihar.
No, my lord. What we found so far was that there were two locations in Hazaribagh where this was shared after solving, and one location in Patna where this was shared after solving. And within Patna, that group had a subgroup of 6 female candidates who came on 4th itself. So they didn't want to keep the boys and girls in the same, under the same roof. So they put it in one of the accused houses, those 6 girls, for the night. And next day morning, once it was stolen, photographed, it came to the solvers, they solved it. Then again, a scanned copy was generated, sent to Patna through WhatsApp, and their printouts were taken, about 15 copies of each set. Botany zoology in first go, it came at around 10-15 hours, and the physics chemistry came at about 10:35 to 10:40. So they took printouts and gave one copy to 2-3 group of candidates. Since the girls were there in the other house, from here one hard copy was taken to that
Now,
house.
what about these statements which were recorded by the Economic Offences Unit in Bihar,
My lord,
saying that leak 4 तारीख के रात को हुआ था,
my lord,
on the 4th of May, took place between that morning hours on the
not
5th.
only that, my lord, in the file which we has given to the court, my lord, page number 5,
Which one?
the Bihar report.
Bihar wala paper.
In fact, first it was Bihar local police, then Bihar EOU.
EOU.
Lord, local police, my lord, it seems, I was shown yesterday, have, Lord, recorded in a cut paste mode, my lord. So once a paragraph, my lord, is added in every.
Because, we saw the statement of Anurag Yadav. You will find it at page 132 of the file. Nitish Kumar at page 92 of the file. And Amit Anand at 88 of the file.
My lord, Anurag Yadav at page 113 it is there, and 129 also it is there, my lord. But
It's a repetition.
before that, my lord, in this report, if my lordship may go to page number 5. Page number 5. This is the consolidated status report prepared by EOU one day before it was handed over to CBI, my lord. In that last paragraph,
3 lines.
last 3 lines, my lord. Page number 5.
Now the relay from Hazaribagh to Patna
Is through
was
WhatsApp.
through the mobile of one of these persons who took a picture of the scanned answer sheets and sent us the solved answer sheets and sent them. Now, has that mobile been seized?
No, my lord. They have destroyed some of the gadgets, and yesterday we recovered some of them. Now we have to examine them forensically, whether these were this set of mobiles yesterday we recovered were from the same gang. But whether the same instruments were used for this offense or not has to be ascertained from FSL report.
And perhaps the FSL report will indicate as to whether this was sent only to Patna or did it go somewhere else also?
It will, if the WhatsApp chats are not deleted, then we will know where all it has gone. But Apparently, from the interrogation, they have destroyed those mobiles after the offense. The main core group. The fringe elements, 18 mobiles were recovered, my lord. That FSL report has come.
Yesterday, somewhere I was reading while we were.
Para 50.
I didn't flag that page.
Para,
They
para
threw it
51.
into the river or something.
Para 51. Para
We
51.
recovered from some water body.
Para 51 may kindly be seen, my lord, in our report. Para 51.
number.
First report.
First report. Para numbers are in seriatim, my lord. Para 51. Para 51, last 3 lines, my lord. Sorry, para 52, my lord. Para 52, last 3 lines.
50 if you can.
52. Para 52.
Start with 50.
It also may be seen, my lord.
Back to this page 21 of your report.
Yes, my lord.
report.
Yes.
This is a work of an amateur. Professional would not commit this mistake. He would ensure that the entire paper is burned.
Shredded.
You got the clue, the first clue, because of these numbers.
Yes, my lord.
These numbers are to be found where on this booklet?
Yes, inside every page it will be there.
Inside.
Yes.
Your lordship
On the
can-
top also, on the left, top left corner, it is there, my lord.
Your lordships can open it, but this is used paper, so it can be opened.
On the top left
But your
corner.
lordship will have to tear it. It cannot be opened the way we open, my lord, the glued envelope.
You don't need a scissor.
No, you don't need a scissor. You are not supposed to be having a scissor as a student.
What was done is, with the camera in the mobile, it was clicked and a hard copy was downloaded. So this is that hard copy
Yes,
which
yes.
has been
That's
downloaded.
the reason why the girl student got her own paper that was earmarked to her.
So what was the idea in clicking this part, this part?
It's on every page.
It's on every page, my lord.
He doesn't have a choice.
Entire booklet was photographed.
Each
by-
page,
Each page.
each page.
Thereafter, it was put back in the envelope and tried to reseal with lighter.
As per the CCTV footage, my lord, he had 1 hour, 20 minutes. Yes. Even the OMR sheet will have the same number, my lord. The OMR sheet and question paper are matched. They come in the same packet.
Good. As my lord debarred for future also, depending upon what need. Jail, but this year there is out of question. Lord, page 120, page 22, para 52 is the chart of some candidates identified then. This is the part of the first report. Lord, none of them are falling within this. Why I'm showing this. The purpose is to satisfy our lordships that the accused and our corroborated by our findings that they got only 2 hours to mug up the questions is reflected in the result they got. Whoever, my lord, is identified there are only 2 who have crossed 573 and 581. 570 is the 577. They've just made to manage to. Some of them have got 111. Please see, my lord, page 22. So maybe, my lord, the student was intrinsically good.
2 students crossed.
Pardon, my lord?
You said 2 students crossed 573.
My lord, if your lordships can come to page 22 of the first report, so that I may be, my lord, accurate. It for 3 students. My lord. This is what, my lord, as on that date we found, my lord, these beneficiaries.
Page 23.
Yes, my lord. 581, my lord, first is 581. I am not naming anyone. Then 531, 483, 300, 296, 185, 338, 573, 581. This is second, my lord, 581, who crosses 577. And that's it, my lord. There are only 2 who cross. Otherwise, 111, 431. So they got 2
There are
hours.
three, no? There's first one is 581, then there's one 573 and one 581.
577 is required, my lords, for being in the 1,08,000.
Right, sir. So 581, we have one candidate.
And 2 with 581, my lords.
Yes.
So, my lord, my respectful submission is that unlike, my lord, the judgment which your lordships have been, my lord, assisted with yesterday, please see, my lord, the judgment. Before I come to the next point, my lord, but I'll come to the judgment a little later. But I'll just point out, my lord, one more fact. The students on this side, left side, my learned friends' clients, they are also ultimately children. Most of them, like all of us, my lord, were misled by the fact that one telegram channel was showing that this is the question paper uploaded on 4th itself. Lordships would recall, my lord.
Yes.
Telegram, your lordships must be aware, it's like an app. It's like WhatsApp. Telegram, WhatsApp, there is some other also. Signal. It's like, my lord, Telegram is less used, but it's an app.
What about the Telegram thing?
Yes, my lord. That's very interesting, my lord. And how, my lord, we can use or abuse the digital format, my lord, for creating a havoc in the country. My lord, please take report number 3. Report number 3. But I can tell, my lord, first of all, orally to your lordships. I'll not explain, my lord, how we get this, because I can, my lord, give it in a for your lordship's consumption. But one of our officers, my lord, joined this group and got this, my lord. Anyway, we'll not go into that. Kindly come to page 10 of the 3rd report, and I'll demonstrate this, my lord. This was, your lordships have page 10.
Yes.
My lord Justice Misra.
Yes.
Lord, this is the original version. It was uploaded, the question paper is uploaded on 6th of May, oblique 7th of May, in the night of 6th of May, my lord. They created the channel on March 6, after the exam. I'm sorry, May 6th. And uploaded something on 7th,
The account itself was created on the 6th.
on 6th, uploaded something on 7th, and they could manipulate to show
Uploading was on 7th, is it?
yes, Manoj. 001 hours, Manoj,
Where do you get that?
at the foot. 00.01